सफीर पाकिस्तान, आपके जज्बों का तर्जुमान। वतन से दूर, वतन की आवाज़ और आपकी पहचान। सफीर पाकिस्तान। बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। अस्सलाम वालेकुम नाज़रीन, आपका मेज़बान वक़ार अली ख़ान प्रोग्राम सफीर पाकिस्तान के साथ हाज़िर खिदमत है। कहिए कैसे मिजाज हैं। मुझे उम्मीद है कि आप खैरियत से होंगे और प्रोग्राम पाबंदी से देख रहे होंगे। नाज़रीन, सितंबर का महीना बड़ा हलचल का महीना होता है। इसमें 9/11 भी हुआ और अब यूनाइटेड नेशन का सेशन भी आ रहा है, जिसमें प्राइम मिनिस्टर जनाब नवाज शरीफ साहब भी तशरीफ़ ला रहे हैं, उनकी टीम भी। तो ये महीना पूरा हंगामों से पुर रहेगा। लेकिन लॉस एंजल्स की कम्युनिटी ने भी एक बहुत बड़ा यहाँ पे हंगामा किया और नहायत खूबसूरत इंडिपेंडेंस डे प्रोग्राम पेश करके एक मिसाल कायम की। लेकिन उसमें जो सबसे खूबसूरत पहलू था वो था परेड का। ये दूसरी बार परेड हुई है। पहली बार परेड वर्मोंट से हुई थी और एक्सपोजिशन में ख़त्म हुई थी। लेकिन इस साल परेड डाउनटाउन लॉस एंजल्स होप स्ट्रीट से उसकी आगाज़ हुआ और वो फिगोरा स्ट्रीट पे वो एंड हुई फेस्टिवल के पास। नाज़रीन, डेफिनेटली जो एक्सपेट्रिएट पाकिस्तानी आए हुए हैं वो अपने वतन से मोहब्बत करते हैं, उनका अपने वतन से प्यार है और यही उसकी एक पहचान है कि वो इस किस्म के प्रोग्राम किया करते हैं। पाकिस्तान अमेरिकन चैम्बर ऑफ कॉमर्स इसकी मेन ऑर्गेनाइजेशन थी जिसने ये पुट टुगेदर किया होल परेड। लेकिन इसके ग्रांड स्पॉन्सर और इसके सपोर्टर थे सफ़ीर पाकिस्तान और पाकिस्तान लिंक, जिनको आप जानते हैं। और इस परेड को काफ़ी टाइम लगा ऑर्गेनाइज़ करने में और इस सिलसिले में काफ़ी फंड रेजिंग्स प्रोग्राम हुए, जिसमें एक तकरीब डॉक्टर शेख पटेल के घर हुई और एक जनाब कौंसल जनरल पाकिस्तान के घर हुई और इस तरह से ये प्रोग्राम आगे बढ़ता रहा। हम बड़े मशकूर और ममनून हैं अपने स्पॉन्सर का, जिन्होंने दिल खोल कर हमारी मदद की। लेकिन अफसोसनाक बात यह है कि जब पाकिस्तान अमेरिकन चैम्बर ऑफ कॉमर्स और पूरी कम्युनिटी इस परेड और फेस्टिवल की कामयाबी के लिए फंड रेज़ कर रही थी, मैं कहता हूँ इतना शानदार प्रोग्राम पाकिस्तान की तारीख़ में आज तक नहीं हुआ। मैंने आज तक कहीं भी अमेरिका में ऐसा सक्सेसफुल और कामयाब प्रोग्राम नहीं देखा। मैं ये नहीं कह रहा हूँ कि मैं एल ए वालों को आगे बढ़ाना चाहता हूँ, लेकिन मैं एक हकीकत आपसे बयान कर रहा हूँ। नाज़रीन, इस प्रोग्राम के अंदर जो सबसे खूबसूरत बात थी, लोगों का जज्बा था। लोग जज्बाती थे और इसमें 9/11 के महीने में अमेरिकन्स ने पार्टिसिपेट किया परेड के अंदर। सारे वाइट किड्स, ब्लैक किड्स, स्पेनिश, लातिनोज, जापानीज़, चाइनीज़, सब ने हिस्सा लिया और लातिनोज हॉर्सेस भी आए जिन्होंने ढोल की थाप पे डांस किया। नाज़रीन, आइए आपको ले चलता हूँ पाकिस्तान डे परेड के अंदर। होप स्ट्रीट, लॉस एंजल्स, डाउनटाउन, बहुत ही इंपॉर्टेंट अहम स्ट्रीट है ये। और ये खूबसूरत परेड का आगाज़ जनाब कौंसल जनरल तसव्वुर खान साहब ने किया, क्योंकि वही इस परेड के चीफ गेस्ट थे। आइए देखते हैं ये परेड।
Kandahar Afghan and Arabian restaurant, a fine dining Mediterranean cuisine with a large variety of mouth-watering delicacies suiting your taste and mood, including chicken, lamb, fish platters, combo platters, fresh and juicy sizzling gyros, and kids menu. Best in New Jersey, the first one on Oak Tree Road. Sharmar Group of Restaurants. For detail, please contact Kandahar Afghan and Arabian restaurant, Oak Tree Road, Islin, New Jersey, 732-283-0900.
सुन खुदा का कलाम, तू सच्चाई को जान, फिर बड़े तेरी शान। पाकिस्तान, सुन खुदा का कलाम, तू सच्चाई को जान, फिर बड़े तेरी शान। पाकिस्तान जिंदाबाद, पाकिस्तान जिंदाबाद, पाकिस्तान जिंदाबाद, पाकिस्तान
welcome you on behalf of Safira Pakistan, Pakistan Link, and Pakistan American Chamber of Commerce. Ladies and gentlemen, this is a momentous occasion for in the history of West Coast. A Pakistani community has never held a Pakistan Independence Day parade in such a location. I would like to very briefly tell you about one of the organizing members of this organization, Pakistan American Chamber of Commerce. But before I do that, I would like to thank the Consul General of Pakistan, Janab Tasawwur Khan Saab, for joining us today. How about a big round of applause for Tasawwur Khan Saab? Also, I would like to thank our Grand Marshal,
Go there, I'll take one with you.
Shrey Patel and Mrs. Zohra Patel. Big round of applause. Ladies and gentlemen, I would like to also thank all the participants in this parade. We have bands, marching bands, horses, stilt walkers, magicians, you name it. Thank you so much for everyone to join us. Chamber of Commerce has been involved in all kinds of activities, trade and commerce. We have taken delegations to Pakistan to promote commerce. We have been involved with the philanthropic efforts. We have raised funds for all the major catastrophes in Pakistan. We have also been instrumental in organizing social events such as the one today. So ladies and gentlemen, would you join me in saying, Pakistan! Zindabad! Pakistan! Zindabad! The next speaker is none other than our chairman, the chairman of the Pakistan American Chamber of Commerce, the host and anchor of Safira Pakistan, and one of the most known personalities in the Pakistani community in America and in Pakistan. Ladies and gentlemen, please put your hands together for Waqar Ali Khan.
This is a great occasion. Well, first of all, Honorable Janab Consul General Tasawwur Khan Saab, our Bureau of the Chamber of Commerce, Dr. Nadeem and Hanadi here came all the way from Las Vegas, and my Grand Marshal Dr. Shoaib Patel, Mrs. Patel, and our gracious and a great sponsor Janab Zubair Rao Saab and the family, Apple Computer, Janab Ghias, Mrs. Tasneem Ghias, Masha Idris Saab, Almaz, Sajjad, and Naseem Malik Saab, Firoz Qasim Saab, Wasim Kaisar Saab, or come on, Saima Firdaus. Saima came all the way from Boston. She is a professional doctor doing residency, and she's going to be our host tonight. And Mr. Hai Saab, Mr. Ari Mansoori, our co-chair, please come forward. This is our second Pakistan Day parade, and we are very proud that we are in the center of Los Angeles and marking 66, the Independence Day of Pakistan. And I'm really very proud that our American brothers, sisters, daughters are here to support us, to celebrate the Pakistan Independence Day. This is the beauty of United States of America. No color, no religion, no race, no language. We are one America. And I'm very thankful all the guests came, and the farmer, Janab Javed Tiki Bhai is here. We did several parades. Saman Mahmood is here, Hanifa is here, Mrs. Tasawwur Khan is here with us today, and I think Mr. Bhuta give us the all promise music today. Pashto one. came all the way from New York. He's a very, very prominent dole player, renowned personality all over the globe. And now I welcome to our Vice Consul Janab, Dr. Ijaz Saab. He came with his wife, beautiful wife, and he's the one behind the whole his game, put together many months, advice and मशवरे सारे इनके साथ होते रहे और I really salute you for your efforts. Now I'd like to really give to our chief guest to really give his views, his opinion today, what we have done as a Pakistan American Chamber of Commerce, Safir Pakistan, Pakistan Link, and let me tell you, Geo is the grand and platinum sponsor of the whole parade. Mr. Tasawwur Khan sir.
Thank you very much, Waqar Saab. Let me just first of all congratulate Pakistan American Chambers of Commerce, Pakistan Link and Safir Pakistan for organizing this fabulous parade. I understand this is the second one in the row, but first time in downtown LA. So it's a great occasion and I'm very happy to see all the Pakistanis coming together and celebrating Pakistan Day in a befitting manner. And many thanks to all the local organizations, the local authorities for supporting this event. And we are looking forward to a fabulous evening. Thank you very much.
मोहब्बतों को उजालना है, वफा से आंसू बसा। सुन खुदा का कलाम, तू सजाई
concluded, I would like to invite the chairman of Pakistan American Chamber of Commerce to say some al-Wadaiya words and conclude the parade. Ladies and gentlemen, put your hands together for Waqar Ali Khan.
Long live America! This is a great and historic moment. We are putting together a great Pakistan Day parade, and we are very proud to be Pakistani American. And that will show the greatness of the United States of America. They give everybody the equal opportunity, no race, no color, no language. The one America, the United States of America. And we proud that we are here thousands of miles away from Pakistan, celebrating the Independence Day of Pakistan. The people who sacrifice their lives their homes for creation of Pakistan. This is time to salute on those pioneers and sacrificers who give us the great country of Pakistan. And I'm very proud of my team, board of directors, Pakistan Link, Safir Pakistan, and Consul General Janab Tasawwur Khan Sahab, Dr. Ijaz Sahab, Vice Consul General of Pakistan, and their staff. They really put together a good program for us, and we are very thankful to them. Now I would like to give this mic to our Honorary Consul General Janab Tasawwur Khan Sahab.
My congratulations goes to Pakistan, American Chambers of Commerce, Pakistan Link and Safir Pakistan for organizing such a fabulous parade. I think everybody has enjoyed so much. There can't be a more befitting manner in which we could organize and we could celebrate our Independence Day. I'm sure that henceforth this parade will be an annual regular feature in the events of Los Angeles. My hats off to all the Pakistanis who are here, who have celebrated, and the local organizations who have supported, the schools, the bands, the horses, the jugglers, and everybody was here. It's a wonderful occasion, and I'm sure that it will continue all years to come. Thank you very much.
Now I would like to invite Dr. Sheikh Patel. He's our Grand Marshal and great supporter of this parade.
Thank you, Waqar Bhai. Assalamu alaikum. Good evening. This is a great pleasure for us to assemble in downtown LA. A lot of things have been said, so I'm not going to repeat it. It's an honor for us and my wife, Zora Patel. Can you come with me? For giving us this opportunity to help our Pakistan. And I'm really proud of Pakistani American citizen. And I plead to every Pakistanis who live here to support not only your own country, but America is our country also. We are so proud of our American culture, Pakistani culture. We need to blend, we need to rally behind. I wish a lot of people come and join. We need to be united. I really want to appreciate Pakistan American Chamber of Commerce, Pakistan Link, Safir Pakistan, Waqar Bhai, Arif Mansoori, Ali Sajjad, और Fatma Khan, और जितने भी हैं. If I don't remember name, please forgive me, for doing a wonderful job day in and day out. They put their hearts together to make this program successful, and inshallah not only for this year, I would like to continue this. And also last but not the least, very respectful, very honorable guests, I would like to thank on our family behalf as well as our Pakistani behalf, Honorable Tasawwur Khan and Mrs. Tasawwur Khan. Thank you, Pakistan.
And in the lawn, the behind this is the whole project, the festival, the parade, the chief organizer, Fatma Khan.
Thank you for coming here. I want to thank all of you for being here. I want to thank the entire organizing committee of PSCC, especially Arif Mansoori, Almaz Bhai, Ali Sajjad, Idris Bhai, Firoz Bhai, Wasim Bhai, Gaz Bhai, Farooq Gayaz, Zubair Rao, and everybody. If I forgot anybody's name, Ajiz Sheikh, everybody. We were all up till 5 a.m., 6 a.m. every morning, going door to doors, trying to raise money, contribution, pledges, ads, and you see that together. This is the support of the entire community of Pakistani community here in LA. First time this organization, and my special thanks goes to one and only member of UFPID who has been a pioneer in doing this festival, Ismail Kiki Bhai. Please give him a big round of applause. And my special thanks goes to Pageantry Parade, Nancy and Bill, who helped us organize this. Without their help, we would not have put together. We have a grand festival next. Please stay, join us at the festival, and we'll have a lot more coming up. Thank you, and Pakistan Zindabad.
नाज़रीन, तो वक्त हुआ आपके मशहूर सेगमेंट लोकल ग्लोबल। नाज़रीन, लोकल ग्लोबल में हम मुख्तलिफ रिपोर्ट लेके आते हैं, लेकिन इस बार हम लेकर आए एक रिपोर्ट दिल के बारे में। ओके, डेवलपमेंट इन लिटरेसी। डेफिनेटली दिल जो अदारा है वो साल साल से कोशा है और काम कर रहा है पाकिस्तान के अंदर, और ये हर साल फंड जमा करते हैं और पाकिस्तान में जाके एजुकेशनल डेवलपमेंट के ऊपर इसका ख़र्चा किया जाता है। नाज़रीन, इस बार प्रोग्राम एक ऑटोमोबाइल म्यूज़ियम में हुआ जो नहायत ही खूबसूरत म्यूज़ियम था। वहाँ पे कौन सी कार ऐसी नहीं थी जिसका मैं नाम आपको बताऊँ। हर किस्म की कार, रोल्स रॉयस से लेके बेंटली से लेके फरारी से लेके क्लासिक कार सभी थी। तो ये खूबसूरत म्यूज़ियम भी आज आप देखेंगे और दिल की रिपोर्ट भी देखेंगे। मुलाज़ा फरमाइए ये रिपोर्ट। अमेरिका में कई पाकिस्तानी ऑर्गेनाइजेशन और अदारे पाकिस्तान में वेलफेयर के काम अंजाम दे रहे हैं। उनमें से एक दिल है जो पूरे अमेरिका में उसके चैप्टर कायम हैं, जो ख़वातीन में जहालत के ख़ात्मे और तालीम को उजागर करने में कोशा है। तकरीबन 100 से ऊपर स्कूल ये लोग अपना चुके हैं और पूरे मुल्क में उन्होंने तालीम के फ़रोग के लिए जाल बिछा दिया है, और पाकिस्तानी अमेरिकन इसमें दिल खोल कर एहतियात देते हैं ताकि पाकिस्तान में ख़वातीन को तालीम के ज़ेवर से आरास्ता किया जा सके। और क्योंकि माँ ही बच्चे का पहला मदरसा होती है, ये प्रोग्राम ऑरेंज काउंटी के मशहूर आर्ट म्यूज़ियम में हुआ, जिसमें मशहूर कॉमेडियन की वाइफ जे लेनो ने खिताब किया। सदर तमीना जसीरे ने जियो टीवी को बताया कि लोग दिन रात मेहनत करके ये प्रोग्राम ऑर्गेनाइज करते हैं। तमीना ने बताया कि हम नहायत ही कामयाबी से पाकिस्तान में तालीम के फ़रोग के लिए अपना हिस्सा डाल रहे हैं।
Every single person in this room has a memory from your school days. And that's pretty incredible. Because over 5 million children in Pakistan do not. They have never stepped foot in school. And that is what tonight is about. Bill is dedicated to make sure that every child, no matter how poor, has the opportunity to create their own memories. So again, thank you for being here.
Now, the kids in Pakistan, they are faced with a very, very different battle. Now, their battle is in time. Their battle is resources. A very, very different challenge. And while we're not going to have more hours in the day ever to read, we can definitely give them an opportunity. We start giving them an opportunity, right? A simple start. And that is actually what tonight is about. We're going to do much more of that throughout the night.
We have Puppy, who will open this evening with a recitation from the Holy Quran.
And he is the founder in our And I'd like to come up right now just to say a few words.
Thank you and for being here and being part of our goal. Because we couldn't do it without you. Our goal is to raise $1 million net in a year for kids at risk. And we donated the cars, the building, and the land to other than heat, light, and power to the Marconi Foundation for Kids.
She is a compassionate philanthropist, a successful businesswoman, a community leader. Her radiant personality and generous heart is known by all. She's given to causes here and abroad. And of course, closest of which to her heart, of course, the relevance of literacy. Mr. Snack, thank you so much.
Your involvement and participation makes it possible for DIL to carry out our mission of educating and empowering underprivileged children in the underdeveloped areas of Pakistan. My deepest appreciation to all of you for taking time out of your busy schedules to be here this evening. Many of you in the room today have supported DIL over the last 16 years and know the great work this organization stands for. DIL's effort on the ground have earned mention in the New York Times and recognition from USAID, which last year awarded our affiliate, DIL Pakistan, a $250,000 grant to pilot the use of cell phone technology in teacher training. DIL has also additional funding from the British Development Agency, DFID, and the STARS Foundation. Our most recent grant came from Texas-based MoneyGram Foundation, which has contributed $65,000 towards supporting 3 DIL schools in rural Punjab. Tonight is a very special night, for as we gather here, there are thousands of dreamers out there waiting to take off on their paths. All they need is help from us. Dear friends, I ask you to join the DIL Los Angeles chapter tonight in taking on our first ever sponsorship project. Our goal this evening is to support 7 schools in rural Khairpur that enroll over 1,500 students. Mavis is currently a leader in the effort to make the restoration of women's rights a non-negotiable element of a post-Taliban Afghanistan. For your strength and spirit and the courage of your actions, DIL honors you. Ladies and gentlemen, please join me in welcoming to the stage Mavis Leonard.
Every time we allow a population not to be educated because of poverty, because of prejudice, all the different reasons that people feel they can use to justify not sending every single child to school. Every time we perpetuate that, we lose potential value to our society. Of course, we want to think about the value to the individual person and to their families, but on a larger picture, we are throwing away better than half of our population every year. You can't tell me that there weren't geniuses and great potential leaders and discoverers and explorers and peacemakers and artists of great ability in and amongst the children that never got to go to school. It's a real investment. In fact, I would say it is the realest investment that any human being can make now to try and add a little bit of education to this world, to the point where, not in my lifetime, and alas, probably not in yours, but maybe someday, every child on earth will be educated and every ability that they come into this world with will be used. And you cannot tell me that it will not be a better world than the sorry mess that we're looking at now.
It's a very, very beautiful event. I'm having a lot of fun and getting to meet a lot of powerful, passionate people. I'm participating because I worked on a film called Girl Rising, and it was about educating girls in developing countries such as Pakistan.
How long are you doing this project?
The project's been going on for 7 years with research and everything like that, but I've only been on the program for a year and a half.
You born raised in America?
Nope, I was born in Ethiopia, and I was born
from Eritrea.
No, not Eritrea, but close. And then I was raised in America.
So how do you find out about this DIL organization, and how do you feel about this organization?
Well, DIL works with girls in Pakistan and educating girls in Pakistan, and I worked for Girl Rising, so it's a natural connection.
They're really doing a wonderful thing in Pakistan. They are providing wonderful support to rural areas of Pakistan where there are hardly any schools. And I think really they have done a good job in motivating other people to participate. And this evening's event is a part of that.
How many schools you own in Pakistan or adopted? That's very important. I would like to know really what exactly you're doing in Pakistan.
You know, currently we have 180 schools all over Pakistan, different provinces, Punjab, Sindh, NWFP, and so we have a total of 179. We are educating about 19,000 kids. So they are basically, we are focusing not on quantity, but quality. Our main focus is quality of the schools, the curriculum, the teacher training. That's where bulk of the money goes, teacher training, to make sure that our education is different than the government schools, because government schools are also modeling our DIL.
Really?
Yes, DIL stuff that we do in the development side. And as you know, in my speech, I said about the grants we're getting from MoneyGram, the $65,000 grant we got, and then we have this $250,000 from USAID, and then another aid we got from this British Development Agency. So, you know, all that stuff goes towards the development side of the DIL.
I think they're doing a wonderful job. We normally have, two type of NGOs. One which are doing the real work, and the others which may not be doing the real work, social work, you know. DIL is one of those which is doing the wonderful work, you know. And the good thing about this organization, which I like, is that 89% of the funds collected are spent for their education work in Pakistan. And I'm very happy to note also, you know, that they are 2/3 contributors of DIL operations in Pakistan.
Thank you very much, Saab. Thank you very much.
It's a pleasure to support this organization. Thank you.
नाज़रीन, इंशाल्लाह ताला ये परेड जारी और सारी रहेगी। इंडिपेंडेंस डे होते रहेंगे। आपका ताउन और आपकी मोहब्बत जारी और सारी रही तो ये कारवां चलता रहेगा। सिर्फ पाकिस्तान के लिए हम करते हैं, पाकिस्तान से मोहब्बत करते हैं। साहिल लोधी ऑल द वे फॉर वन डे ही केम एंड ही प्रेजेंट द प्रोग्राम नाइसली, वेरी डिसेंट वे। बहुत ही एग्रेसिवली उसने प्रोग्राम पेश किया और प्रोग्राम को एक रूह बख्शी उसने। नाज़रीन, ऑफ कोर्स ढोली बूटा, अफजल हैदर, ऑफ कोर्स अदील बरकी और क्राउड ने वाकई साथ दिया और ये प्रोग्राम कैमे विद हिम के नाम हुआ। इंशाल्लाह नेक्स्ट वीक आप देखेंगे पूरी सेरेमनी ऑफ पाकिस्तानी इंडिपेंडेंस डे जो स्टेपल सेंटर के सामने हुई थी। इसके अलावा सियासी मंजरनामे में अपना के इलेक्शन करीब तर आ रहे हैं, फ़ैसला लग रहा है हो चुका है और ये मैं वादे बताते चलूँ कि आइंदा के प्रेसिडेंट जनाब डॉक्टर मुबश्शिर राना ही होंगे, क्योंकि उन्होंने बहुत एग्रेसिव कैंपेन रन की है। और बाकी डॉक्टर आसिफ कदीर, डॉक्टर तारिक शहाब, उमर नसीब और डॉक्टर शाहिद रशीद, ये मुकाबला जो है टफ़ है और इसमें अभी तक जो रेस में है शाहिद रशीद थोड़े से आगे हैं और जो डॉक्टर शहाब का मुकाबला है डॉक्टर आसिफ कदीर से वो मुकाबला सख्त है और फ़ैसला 10, 20, 30, 40 वोटों से ही होगा इन तीनों कैंडिडेट के अंदर। तो होल्ड योर ब्रेथ, इंशाल्लाह बहुत जल्दी आप उसके नतीजे देखेंगे और ये इलेक्शन होते रहते हैं, लेकिन मुझे उम्मीद है कि अच्छी इंतज़ामिया आके अपना को आगे बढ़ाएगी और अपना अच्छे काम करती रहती है। नाज़रीन, तो सफ़ीर पाकिस्तान से मुंसलिक रहिए और ये आपका अपना प्रोग्राम है, हमें ख़बरें भेजें, रिपोर्ट भेजें और हमें इन्वाइट भी करें अपने इवेंट में ताकि हम आके उसको कवर करें। नाज़रीन, इसके साथ ही आपका मेज़बान वक़ार अली ख़ान आपसे जा चाहेगा। अल्लाह हाफ़िज़। पाकिस्तान जिंदाबाद।